me out with your smile. Like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound.
With $1,184 per week from affiliate marketing on autopilot.
Watch your streamline, work from your home, learn from the best. Start living your stream life today. Buy access to mysuccess.win to start your own online business now.
What's going on, my friends? I'm Michael from mysuccess.win. Welcome to the series of video about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And the lesson today is lesson 24. YouTube internal SEO checklist elements.
Okay, now in this video, we're going to be talking about YouTube again. Now, if you're going to be getting traffic back to your site, you obviously want to make sure that you are doing a couple of things right. And I'm going to show you one of those things that you want to be concerned about. Now, in particular, one of the things that Google uses in order to rank videos, in order to determine which videos are going to be the ones they're going to show, is watch time. So you want to be concerned about making sure that people are watching your videos all the way through. So one thing that you're going to be looking at here is audience retention. Now, obviously, in some cases, you're going to be doing videos that you may or may not necessarily be concerned about, necessarily the content. You just want to get the click, but Google will give you more traffic, right, to your video if people are watching your videos and staying all the way through. And you can tell that with audience retention. And you can look at each one of your videos and you can determine if people are actually watching the entire video, right? So you can take a look at any of your videos. You can look at how much of the video people are actually staying to the entire video to watch, and you can tell if people are staying through your entire video, then Google is going to give you more credit. It's going to consider your video to be of a higher quality. So you want to make sure that these are high numbers, right, in the 90s and the 80s and the 100s. Now, obviously, this is a dummy profile, but you want to make sure that your videos are videos that people want to watch and that people want to stay in to the end. So watch time is very important, because if you're going to get traffic and you're going to get people to watch your video and then send them back to your website, you want Google to send you as much traffic as you can get. Now, one way for you to be able to increase your watch time is to create videos that are going to be relevant. And the way you determine relevance is to make sure that you're creating videos for things that people are actually searching for. You can find that in a couple of different ways. Now, I'm going to show you one way inside of YouTube. And basically, in the same way that you did suggestions inside of the organic search, you can do those very same things inside of Google. You're going to click, you're just going to write in one at a time, because you want to see what people are actually searching for. Now, if I type in low carb diet, I can see now these are the searches that people are using inside of YouTube. As you may know, YouTube is considered to be the #2 search engine in the world. So people are using YouTube in order to get information. And so you want to make sure that you are creating relevant videos. Looking right before us, based on the keywords that we have in, these are the things that people are searching for. And Google Suggest will give you sometimes keywords that do not exist inside of Keyword Tool. These are up-to-date results. They are as close to real time as you can get. Now, does this warrant creating an entire video for it? You'll have to determine that based on the searches that you do when you look at the videos and when you look at organic search. But certainly, you will know without a shadow of a doubt that these are real searches that have occurred very recently inside of YouTube. And then creating a video means that if one person has searched for it and another person does, they're likely to see your video. Okay, so Google Suggest is one way that you can find relevant keywords to create videos about, because that will then allow you to create the kind of content that people will watch to get traffic back to your website. Okay, so now that is basically what you want to do in terms of determining relevance for your video. And that's going to give you a maximum amount of traffic to your video where you're going to lead people back to your website. Okay, so we're going to be actually looking at one more video where you're going to be doing some things with YouTube that will, again, help you to get traffic back to your website. But we have determined relevance, and there are some aspects of doing video marketing in particular that will help you to drive traffic back to your website. We'll be looking at that in the next video and wrapping up our series on video marketing. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.
What's your streamline? Work from your home. Learn from the best. Start living your dream life today. Buy access to mysuccess.win to start your own online business now.